Hello, this is Ross on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. How do you measure current in a circuit? That's a little more tricky. To measure current, you have to connect your probes from your multimeter in series. In series being from one to the other, not parallel where it just connects across the top of the current path. So you put around a component for that. But in series, you actually have to break the connection and insert your meter into it. In the multimeter, to do that, I have the black here, which is the common connection, COM. It's common to all the functions. For voltage and resistance, I put it in here. But to do amperes, I put it in one of these two connections. If I'm going to measure high amps, like up to 10 amps, I put it in this one. And I can go ahead and measure. If I'm going to do low, I have milliamps here. My setting remains. And I turn this knob. So it's DC I'm working with, so I leave it there. And I look, and there's my amps. So I could set it to 2 milliamps, 20 milliamps, 200 milliamps, 2,000 milliamps, which is the same as 2 amps. There's 10 amps there, and there's 2 milliamps. And look at that, there's even 200 microamps, even smaller. So we'll put it on the 20 milliamps here. And then to break the circuit, I'm going to go ahead and turn the power off first. I'm going to disconnect the power from here. I'll go ahead and insert a lead. I'll put this connector on so I have my alligator clip. And now I'll go ahead and connect my grounded probe, my negative probe, to the power supply. So before, what I used to have is the power supply went directly to the circuit right here. I now broke that connection and I'm inserting my meter. And you can see the red from my meter goes into the meter, back out the black, which is this connection, into here. So now I have a series flow. It's one path flowing through the meter. And that's how you set it up to measure it. And then you can turn it on and get your reading if you like. The light is on, and I'm reading 0.04. I'm set to the 10 amp scale actually here. So that's 0.04 or 40 milliamps. Ooh, resistor's even getting a little warm. We could calculate the wattage through that.